You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is y equals -2. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Solve by distributing. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Group all y terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 16y from both sides. Group like terms. Group like terms. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 7 from both sides. Isolate the y. Divide both sides by -12. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the signs. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. And so the final result is y equals -2.